It's Tuesday, and you know what that means. It means it's Tablescape Tuesday, and it's being put on by our awesome friend, Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And she is an awesome channel, and just go check her channel out. She has so much great content on her channel. You're never going to get bored. One challenge after another. And she's always got something going on her channel. Go check her out. And let's go check out that awesome co-hostess. And here is our awesome co-hostess, Amethyst Adventures. Oh yeah, super sweet, just love her. She does a great job on her videos, great content, and always something new and different to watch. She was an awesome friend. She joined in with Alice in Wonderland Tablescape for 23. Didn't she do a beautiful job? And she did some great DIY projects also. There's always something to see. And of course, she even gave us some highlights of her wonderful vacation. Oh my. She has so much great stuff she shares every single day. Please go check out her channel. And keep in mind, Grandma loves this awesome co-hostess. Here she joined in with Alice in Wonderland Cozy Corner. Oh my gosh, look at that cozy corner. It's so colorful, so beautiful. I just loved it. Well, what is Grandma going to do today? Well, it's Tablescape Tuesday, and let's go check out what Grandma did. But don't forget to check out the hostess, the co-hostess, and also that wonderful playlist. Lots of great creators join in on Tablescape Tuesday, and they always have something to share with us. And they put a lot of time and effort into them, so please go check them out. Well, it's Tablescape Tuesday time. Sit back with your cup of tea, Coke, or coffee, and see what Grandma did in her garden today. We're getting together to put this wonderful tablescape together for Mayflower Tablescape. Hope you enjoy it. I'm going to share all my beautiful flowers over in this seating area, all in my green stalks, as you can see. Sit back for the slideshow.